By Miss Debbie's house, I mean, let me tell you something. Look at the food that we are eating.
Yeah.
100% Jamaican, natural.
Good morning, but that's St. Mary. St. Mary was there. St. Mary was there.
Oh, Miss Debbie, careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
And St. Mary was there now. Chat about. Talk to them. St. Mary was there. St. Mary was there.
Nice, clean St. Mary.
Who that?
Sophia.
Tio. Yeah, one more time pan them.
One more.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah, go and pause. Pause. Whoa. Where you say you come? Where you there?
St. Mary, the great St. Mary.
Are you there where? Bushmouth? You reach a Bushmouth? Come, girl, come and go cock up a foot. Because we say cock up foot up here.
What you mean?
Yeah. See, there in a party, you don't want to feel like, see her right now? See her right? She in a kitchen, she in a bush, she in a butchery. She in a butchery, do. Sophia make tea, she make coffee.
Real coffee.
Yeah.
Real deal. No fake. Real
Yeah, Sophia in a house, yeah. And Sophia, how will this all who never hear and know? See her?
Real Sophia will.
Yeah.
No carbon copy.
No. Yeah,
making
what around this? She's making coffee. Which part of there to make America you there with?
No, St. Mary from Miss Debbie.
Yeah.
Real deal.
Good bad Jesus.
The real
Good
deal.
Uncle Murphy lose the war. Good day, good day.
Long time Mr. Murphy, you lose the word.
Murphy. Yeah, so we're inside here and Sophia make coffee and we're gonna make some food.
Yes.
And we're gonna put her outside and we're gonna have a happy time out here on the outside. So
right.
it's all about Sophia how will today. Talk to them.
It's all about me, it's all about me.
So
Nobody else.
Sophia opening up the way for the rest of people
All right,
in the
for
want to
everybody
come.
else.
So make sure you don't see her no respect her and everything done already. You don't come here and remember she come christen it.
Yes.
And open up the way. Yeah, next clip. Alright, Parry, now the prayer clip, so me tell you say Uncle Murphy not here. Me and Dad and Sophia and our friend come. So we run and so we have cook some food that she can have some, them can have something to eat. We have some saltfish in a pot there for a scala. And I think she gonna roast breadfruit maybe for carry or something like that. She gonna look breadfruit. So me I cook some wild breadfruit. Me not bother with no dumpling. So cook breadfruit, yellow yam and banana in that. So that we are deal with them out on the front there. So we show no a little clip of them. See? So me I go peel and brush it. A long time I peel and brush it that turns the cook. Lord God. So me I go peel one breadfruit parry. In my pantry. Pantry to be. Yeah. So I out of from. So I'm afraid I knife now. I really like breadfruit this because it's skin green. So knife is sharp, you know. Yeah, me I take my time, man. So me can't eat breadfruit full, so me can't cut it too thin, you know. We have to wait till. As me put in the breadfruit here, me go put in the yam, you see me? Yes. And then after we put in the banana. This beam, as me I cut it, so me remember my mother. So my mother cut breadfruit, you know. Yep. Feeling blessed. Feeling humble now. Slide through it again, man. When you did know, I get what this here now. I peel some breadfruit here. Parry. And I cook some breadfruit. I know it's so if I eat cooked breadfruit. But when I deal with the dumpling business today, they must say a roast breadfruit, but maybe for carrot. I don't know. Me not really deal with no dumpling business. Uncle Murphy for make dumpling when they come and say. Tired from the whole heap of moving. Body still tired. So. And now we start cook them. Some people cook it, sometimes she cook it with the hard. Yeah. And when they cook, she just slice it out. Yeah, and feed pig. We always have pig. So breadfruit, them enough, you know, bro. Then just step on the tree, just come like nobody never buy. Come in the district. Eh? No, sir. Them they go cook quick. Them thin one there, so. Parry. I go and finish peel off them breadfruit, yeah? And then I go on to a piece of yellow yam and buy me hope it good.
Will everything do?
Yeah, man, if you can, well, put them in, man. The brush then cook fast in the Terrence. Rather massive breadfruit then cook. We have to go cook banana in a different pot. You cook a few banana, man. Does he have and breadfruit? Cook 2 banana. Banana then look soft, Sophia, could they? Nice. Yeah, but and the banana can't. The breadfruit then cook already. That's why I don't want to put in the yam long time. We don't worry ourselves, man. Terence, you have to put the salt in there. Tease up the hood. And what kind of wood them here? What kind of wood they look like, Sophia?
Like soda.
So them yeah. Tell them so. Are they so them yeah? Yeah. Yeah.
Livelihood, man.
Livelihood. Papa Jesus. Hey.
Livelihood,
Hey, Sophia. No bother with the arms out, you know. Hey. Yeah, you see how they lively? See them there?
And the lazy wood them, yeah.
As the livelihood they look. No, sir. Yeah.
Livelihood. And a lazy wood. Livelihood.
Alright, Parry, so my fish cook and I clean up, I clean it up and I debone it. Did I say I was gonna cook some stewed down saltfish and but I never put on the banana yet, but them banana they look like a breadfruit and yam cooked so far, but if a breadfruit and yam, a breadfruit and yam. So I deal with my saltfish and when I'm ready to start cook it up, me come back. But I don't have no Uncle Murphy yet. And Daddy is not the cooker person, so he's not the chef. So we are trying to make the best I eat for make Sophia feel good because she come all the way and she said, Debbie, I want to go to St. Mary. I want to go see what's going up her bushmouth. And you know, Sophia, I'm look up bonify, you know. So, next clip. Alright, Paro, you know me cook up my saltfish already. Me brown up my saltfish sometime I wait for. So that him will start deal with it. That's what I say. Let me get to peel the banana and look like me now peel and I crumb the banana, shape the banana inside. You better cut your heart them show. Terence, tease up this now. Yeah. We have some breadfruit here, Parry. We are going to roast brushy. We roast and kind of way now. Now we are town for going to roast the breadfruit here right now again. Now where we live. So yeah, I can't my one and say I roast my one them. I can't roast my one them, see. Parry, see the good old tomato. We not no scallion, but we will live. We will live. So we good like that, you know. You know if I make stew saltfish go already, it have to mellow. You see that? Yeah, you know, I want the scallion would have put in a bit. So we all get the water, just not a lot. I'm just going to make it go and build up the water. I make the tomato, them gonna cook on the onion, them break down all of that. And look here, the good brush at the end there, you know. So we have the good cook up saltfish. We're looking to find a little tip bit black pepper. Right, it's enough, Parry. So the tomato, it turn the oil. Yes, man, I saw me angle for my saltfish. Nothing less, it must be better, but no worse. Then I'm in this. Legit, me have Indian niece. I want to hear about. Yeah, tell them I sent Mary with there.
I sent Mary with her.
And I sent Mary with Sir. Chat boat. Eh? Wagwan.
No. Let me see if you hear me.
You know that can't come talk out here unless they have to do it. You good do?
Yes.
I'm a big friend this country.
Hello.
From foreign.
Uncle Terry.
How you do?
Look. No.
Come.
I'm Parishina.
Oh, look at this. I don't understand why this much.
I mean, say from Miss Beth for true. But me never did really want
Yeah.
Come.
Midday, me cook a breadfruit and piece of saltfish around our back. You good do, you look well.
Yeah, I'm well.
And life agree with you. You look for daddy?
Yeah, me.
You know where daddy there?
But he tell you, say me have come this man and do.
Eh? Oi! Eh, Boshu said, where is it there? Over Miss Martha there, so she say, into your father there.
Oh, kind do or not? Me tell him, say me have come out to make him work.
Oh, there's something them over there, so. You go look for one pot. Yes? Look more. Yeah, the short. You don't know it go already, right? Yeah, and we are the short for big people food. We're not the short careless people food. We are a big people thing with the one. Right, Sophia?
Yes.
Yeah.
Big man and big woman.
Big man and big woman are careless people thing. We never get to do the banana, but guess what?
That is good enough.
Big man, I sent me a man too, you know.
I'm not a real big man too.
I'm a Parishina.
How you doing?
Chat boy. So the breadfruit them pretty man.
Parishina family?
Yeah, Parishina family.
Hey.
Yes sir.
And down them vex.
Them vets.
Real family.
A family will say, family. How say family, Sophia?
We say family.
Yes, we say family. Big man thing.
Big man food.
Shoot them up.
Shoot them up the right way.
Yeah, just like that.
Okay.
Right there, Sophia, no.
I'll see you later.
Come, well, I forget the thumbnail with them up there.
Okay.
Same way.
Sophia, if you can find you. I let them send lip gloss to me, you know.
But them don't even know that I real family. Think I joke.
Them not know, man.
Them must think I joke.
Sophia, I name nothing.
Just found out. Real family.
I don't know Sophia name enough.
You put breadfruit in my plate.
Sophia, you're a real country girl. You know, say you're a real country girl. You know that? As some me love you, but share them two in one.
Put the breadfruit in my plate. I'm not ask Christ about it.
Yeah.
I come and go like me can't eat.
And I go and like say,
I'm not touch.
no, darling. No, that's I am. No, that's man. This Sophia I am. Yeah. Sophia said, put boiled brush in my plate, yeah. And make me know what I'm chat about.
I can't eat them left for
Yeah. Come girl, this good for you, good as. This not good for you, come again, good as. Yeah. Come, but then, pan top of one another.
That's my band top.
Yeah, you're there, tap me and come with the song. Yeah, me I come with fat man. And
Yeah, with that set me right now. Set me right there. I look at place named Cedar Hill.
See that tree?
Cedar tree. Right by the hill that's next door to Louisburg.
Yes.
Next door to Newsport.
In the middle with
Not too far
it.
from Richmond.
Yeah?
You know, it's a nice place. As you can see, lush green vegetation. It's as real as it gets. This is where you call it. St. Mary is really a virgin parish, you know, untouched.
Oh my God.
It's a blessed place. I mean, as a true seed grows, look at it. The place is so fruitful.
And we are by Miss Debbie's house.
Yeah, we are by Miss Debbie's house. I mean, let me tell you something. Look at the food that we are eating.
Yes.
100% Jamaican, natural. When they eat them food, it's a normal thing.
You just feel that walk through your
Yeah, but when they eat them a food, they say,
food tastes good.
any infirmities you have, you know.
Food, nice, good.
Them a food that even half of my infirmities. Yeah.
If food clean one more time and I ask
Yeah.
the food
Them a food that when they eat them a food, they're afraid to eat again. Because what?
the people who come down.
Any other food will contaminate the way you have in your system. So that's why you want to eat again. Unless
Oh
you eat similar food.
Oh my God.
I'm mad something. Best for yourself.
So no come down and no come eat some Miss Debbie nice clean food.
Yeah,
food
man.
nice and taste good. Salt mac, what is saltfish? Cook up saltfish bad with breadfruit and yellow yam. These are the real deal.
Real
It doesn't
deal.
get better than this. So people who come down.
Yeah, man.
We
I
are the
see
first
food.
person to come and we enjoy.
Yeah,
So next person to come along.
I see them food that will grow naturally. No
Yes,
additives, no
man.
preservatives.
None.
Them a thing them not genetically modified. So when they eat it, you can't feel it going in your cells.
Go through your pores.
You can't feel it line up in a part of you.
Yeah, may I show them how that there?
Yeah, man.
So them right there, so.
So you see all the money might have some problems. Come on, man. You have to come down. Man. The wife will be grateful for it. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. When they ride on the road, Parry, you don't know that. Up on the road, see the road there. Don't mind the chainsaw, the men are working. That's a part of their livelihood here in the district. So see, they only don't know say from a place not done proper yet, but this is a little part. I saw it go look when you not come. Better than this. This is just a little, you know. You big up yourself, Sophia. You always been there. And the whole of we are St. Mary people.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Born and grow right here, sir. Yeah. Enough love. Enjoy y'all. Enjoy the meal.
Yeah, man, we enjoy.
Enjoy.
Food tastes good.
Yeah, man.
Real good.
May I feed my face? Just take one pair of breadfruit and this is my type of boiled breadfruit, you see? Breadfruit were full. My breadfruit and Salt is good time. But the salt is to cook and the salt.
Yeah.
No over salt at all, man. Nice cool water. So for them dip on the front out there, so in my house, when I back on it, so. Uncle Murphy not here today though. When Uncle Murphy goes here, vibes better. But that's right now.
Isn't that? Empty food, good food, turn up loud.
Yes, sir.
Food nice. Nice.
Lord have mercy.
Big up yourself, Miss Debbie.
Big up yourself,
Yes,
Sophia.
good.
Blessings, my sister.
Blessing upon top of blessing.
Yes, darling.
One love.
One love every single time, Sophia. Every time. You know, when Sophia sign her kitchen on the back, no, sir. Kitchen nice, food nice, everything. Every time in a Sophia, the woman them shy away from the loving. All the man them are shy away from the loving argument. Yeah. But that thing is a must.
Real man.
You understand? Because you see that loving something there. Them don't understand say it have the remedy. And it settle your nerves, you know.
Of course.
Eh? You can't stay there comfortable, Lord, you can't sleep and here go get some sleeping pills. Stay there. Them things when you get them the loving there, you know. You understand? And you go sleep, you must sleep. You're not sure if you're going to wake up. When you sleep, you think you sleep nice, so when you wake up, your body feel rejuvenated. But you know, all run away from the loving talk. Tell them again, so if you're done, you tell your belly full, you go get real good loving. Yeah, we need the real loving to come back into the relationship. What's wrong with you all? Stop the fighting and the fussing. Bring back the love. The lady says so. Me no want none. Me good. Me get enough. So